Hi, welcome to Cooking with Chef King. So we're going to talk about moist heat method. So the first thing that you have to do with moist heat method, an example would be poaching. For the poaching, majority of the items we use are eggs for the eggs Benedict, and at the same time light meat for fishes, poultry, and beef. We are also using poaching method. For poaching method, we need boiling water and at the same time stirring a little of vinegar. So that is the procedure for your poach. Okay, moist heat method, an example of that is simmering. If we mention simmering, you will see there are small amount of bubbles coming out from what you are cooking. Okay? Small amount of bubbles, which means you are cooking it in a slow fire, and at the same time you are tenderizing your meat and you will be cooking it longer. So an example of that is like the video that you're going to watch. Next example of our moist heat method is boiling. For boiling, you will be seeing rumbling big bubbles. It's almost the same with simmering, but the difference is simmering with small bubbles, boiling will be having a big bubble. So with this one, it is cooking with high flame with your meat, and at the same time, it becomes tender. An additional example of moist heat method is steaming. Steaming is used for small amount of meat or for dumplings or for our fishes and chicken. So we just need the moist coming out from your hot water or stock to cook your dishes. Moist heat method, an example will be blanching. Blanching is majority used for preparing your vegetables to make it more greener or preparing it to store for freezer for longer life. Now that the combination of dry heat method and moist heat method, there are two examples. The first one is braising. Braising is use of sauteing your meat or your vegetables, and at the same time, after sauteing it, you're going to incorporate everything in a one pot with stock. Your meat is supposed to be in a huge chunks or whole log. So that is braising. Another example of your combination heat method, which is the dry and combination with moist, is your stewing. Stewing, it is almost the same with braising, but for the stewing, you're going to saute the small amount or the small chunks or small pieces of your meat, browning them, and after browning them, you put all your vegetables and stock, then simmer it to tenderize your meat. the combinations are braising and stewing. Those are the combination of your dry heat method and moist heat method. So always remember, seasoning, salt, and pepper of your dishes will be the last part. So after you finish cooking, that's the time you're going to add your salt and pepper for taste and at the same time to balance the flavor of your dishes. So that's our video for today. Thank you for watching and see you once again for our next video. Bye. Adios. Sayonara.